How to play Roblox without downloading it. Now, first things first, this method is actually possible. The very first thing that you want to do is to open up any preferred web browser that you want to use on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, we will be going into a specific website that's going to be easy fun. Once you locate it or search Easy Fun using your search box, it should be at the very first result right here that says easyfun.gg that will redirect you to Easy Fun's official site. Now you could actually play Roblox to this website right here that does not require any download. So simply scroll down and choose on Roblox multiplayer, click on play now. But from here, you will only be getting a limited amount of time when playing Roblox. However, if you would like to extend more, then you'll have to create an account with Easy Fun. And that's it. That's how you play Roblox without downloading it.